Hello. Today we will do a video on how to bulk upload 1099 NEC forms from Excel. You will start off in your Tax 1099 account. You will click on Integrations in the Excel. 2023 1099 NEC. Click Next. In here, we will download the template. Some downloads go to the upper right, others to the bottom left. So just open up your download. And you will have boxes highlighted in red that will let you know what you need to fill out. I already filled them out, but do not change any of the formatting. Just make sure that you put in each box as it's highlighted, and examples are here. It lets you know if you need to type in business or individual, the PIN type, whether you do EIN or SSN, their number, same for the recipients. It will give you an example of what you need to put in each box. And the amounts are over to the right. So fill them in as necessary. You will save it. And you will go back to Tax 1099. Click in the box. In my downloads, double click, and it said that the file uploaded successfully. So we will scroll down until we get to next. You can check your saved data. So now we're going to click next. And this is the mapping section. You need to have something in each box. So just scroll down and make sure each box is filled. And go down to next. Here you will be able to edit your data that you just pulled over from the Excel sheet. We have all green dots. That means that the data is good. If there were any red dots, you will click on the name that has the red dot beside it. Edit the information. We're going to switch to single view. You can edit the information and just make sure you click submit to save it. So now to bring it over to Tax 1099 dashboard, we will click select all, and it highlights everything on the screen. Scroll down until you see submit. You're not submitting them to the IRS yet. You're just bringing them over to the Tax 1099 dashboard. 5 of 5 records uploaded successfully. And from this screen, you will click select all. This is the payment screen. So we're going to click select all. We have the options of USPS. That's if you want us to mail their forms to them. It's $1.85 per form. E-delivery, you will need to have an email address for the recipient, but we can send those to the recipients for 25 cents per email. Once you click select all, if you want one of those options, just check the box. And we will go over to bulk actions. Submit for this payer. And it's letting you know that you have 5 forms there. You did not choose USPS or e-delivery, so there is no charge. You do have to calculate sales tax. So click the button, put in your physical address, your email address, and click calculate sales tax. $0 is okay. Not all states charge sales tax, so it's okay if it's still at $0. Then you would click pay now. Successfully submitted, payment successful. Your payment has been processed. You can go back to the dashboard you will be able to see that your forms were just submitted. You might have to click on the submitted, the year, and the form. So we're going to do NECs, and it's letting you know right here that your forms were submitted on this day. Thank you. Have a great day.